Welcome to AI Masterclass Day 3. If your outbound emails look like everyone else's, you are training your leads to ignore you. In 2026, personalization isn't just saying hi, first name. It's about cognitive empathy. Today is Day 3, and we are building Pillar 2, cognitive personalization. I'm going to show you how to use Claude 3.5 to read a prospect's digital footprint and write a message so specific they'll think you've been following their career for years. No more templates, just high conversion, AI-generated human connection. Strategy: the observation insight question framework. Most AI personalization is bad because the prompts are lazy. If you tell an AI to write a catchy intro, you get garbage. Instead, we use the OIQ framework. Observation: a specific fact found in our deep data phase. Insight: what that fact actually means for their business. Question: low-friction ask that relates to that insight. AI is the only way to scale this framework across thousands of leads without losing quality. This is how you book 5-figure deals. I'm going to give you my Persona Architect prompt. We feed Claude 3 things: the lead's LinkedIn About section, their company's latest press release, and our service offering. We tell Claude, do not use marketing jargon. Find one non-obvious connection between their recent hire and their growth goal. Write 2 sentences that sound like a colleague sending a Slack message. The output: the difference between a delete and a meeting booked. Personalization at scale is the unfair advantage of 2026. I'm giving you my exact Persona Architect master prompt, the same one I just used. You can copy-paste it into Claude or ChatGPT right now. Link is in the description. Next video of Day 4, we move to Pillar 3, dynamic delivery. I'll show you how to set up your burner domains and email infrastructure so you never hit the spam folder again. Hit subscribe, and let's get your first meeting booked.